In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Analytics to your Godaddy website quickly and easily. Whether you're looking to understand your site's performance or track visitor interactions, setting up Google Analytics is a crucial step in enhancing your online presence. Let's dive straight into how you can seamlessly integrate Google Analytics with your Godaddy site. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Godaddy website. Once there, you'll start by accessing the domain names, websites, hosting and online marketing tools section. This area houses all the essential management tools for your website. Now the next step is to head over to the products page. You'll find this option listed in the same menu. It's essentially your control panel where all your websites and domains are listed. Once you've accessed your products, locate the specific website you want to add Google Analytics to. Go ahead and click on it. This action will direct you to a more detailed configuration page specifically for your chosen site. Now on this page you'll see various options related to managing and customizing your website. Look for and click on the Edit Website button. This is where you can adjust your website settings and manage its content. With your website editor open, the next step is to locate the Settings tab. Click on Settings and you're one step closer to integrating Google Analytics. In the Settings menu, you'll find an option specifically for Google Analytics. Selecting this option is your pathway to begin setting up analytics tracking on your site. As you click on Google Analytics, you'll see another option appear: Sign up for Google Analytics. Clicking this will guide you to Google's Analytics page where you'll need to sign up or log in if you already have an account. Once logged into Google Analytics, follow the prompts to obtain your specific tracking ID. This tracking ID is essential for linking your analytics account to your Godaddy website. After you've secured your tracking ID, return to the Google Analytics section in your Godaddy settings and paste the ID into the designated field. Ensure everything is saved correctly, and your Google Analytics should be set up and ready to provide valuable insights about your website traffic and engagement. To recap, you've learned how to navigate through Godaddy's interface to connect Google Analytics to your site. It's a straightforward process, but incredibly beneficial for growing your online presence. Congratulations on taking an important step towards optimizing your website's performance through data-driven decisions. Remember, analytics is not just about numbers. They tell the story of your audience's interaction with your site. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out more tips and tutorials for boosting your web presence.